So if you are a YouTuber and you don't want to touch into the darkness, then stay tuned at Sakuri. Hey, hello, this is Sakuri. As I mentioned in the intro, we are going to unbox, and you can see it in the title, we're going to unbox a ring light. Because many of you YouTubers or starting YouTuber have this thing for dark videos. Not that you want to make a horror movie or some other dark kind of videos, then I recommend something like a ring light. What does a ring light do? Besides the makeup videos, which I'm not going to do because, hey, I'm a guy and don't like to do any makeup videos. There you have different kind of YouTube channels for. My YouTube channel is about tech and high tech and some awesome gadgets. So this is the ring light. I have ordered this ring light in black, but as you can see, you also have the pink one and you have the white one. Well, me as a guy, I ordered a black one because it needs to be masculine. So I'm not going to waste any more time. Let's start with the unboxing. The manual is in the box. As you can see, just some useful information about it. Then it's wrapped, put in a bag, which is kind of cool because you can get this device, you can take it everywhere where you like and protect it so you cannot damage it or lose some parts. Okay, then we open up this bag, and then we have so as you can see, it's packed with foam, so to protect it. So you have a few things inside of the bag. You have the adapter, as you can see, it's an adapter. You've got the smartphone holder clip. There's one clip that you see almost everywhere in the world. I see a lot of YouTubers using this kind of thing on their selfie stick or on a tripod like the one that I'm using now. So as you can see, you can mount it on you can put it like this together, and then you can put it onto the ring light. Then you have a adapter. The ring light is, like you can see, it's a 24 watt ring light. So in LED terms, it's quite bright. But you can also change the light settings. When you look closely, you see that there is also a bracket where you can put a battery in. So if you are on a set and you need to have this ring light, you can buy an adapter or a battery pack and you put it on there, and then you have some portable ring light. So as you can see, there is also a button with 3 settings. So off, the first position, and the second position. So just put it back. As you can see, you also see that you have some LED with some indication which setting of the light you have. So we are going to take it out. So this is the ring light. As you can see, you can mount this bracket in. It's quite light, it's not so very heavy. You need to watch how you can turn the clip. And as you can see, you have here a dial and you can change the light settings. I don't know which kind of switch this is, but when I'm going to use it, I will find out why this is like that. This is the ring light in action. It's not that difficult. And as you can see, my face, as my left side and my right side, are both lighted. That is very important. Why? Because sometimes, as now, I've got daylight on my right side. That would mean that my face on the right side would be lit and the other one would be a little bit less light, making shadows and also make my face look a little bit silly on camera. When I record videos in the evening, I also can use this light. So as you can see, the ring light works perfectly. I can dim the light like this, but I can also make it bright and even brighter. You can just turn the dial and choose a little bit different brightness. And that being said, a very nice ring light to have. I'm going to use it more. Also now because the summer is at its highest point, was at its highest point, so it's getting darker and darker in the evening. So I want to continue making good and bright shots with my camera. And that being said, so that was my review about the Bresser Ring Light 24 watts. It's not a very expensive ring light. I saw models that were more money. This is an easy one. It's with LED lighting. It's dimmable from very little light to very bright. You can choose in which kind of application, which kind of setting you are going to use. Like I mentioned, you can use it during daylight when you're sitting in a corner with on one side daylight from the sun and on the other hand shadow. So in this case you can use it pretty good. It's easy to set up. I have to mention that you need a microphone stand for it. I mounted on the microphone stand from my USB Trust microphone, so I had to order a different one, which one I am also maybe going to do in a recording some of a review sometime, because making YouTube content I also want to have something like this. It's very easy. I can use the mic like this and you can see me pretty good. So my thought about it, it's a 1.5. It's very much needed for the channel or channels that I'm going to use it. You will see me using the microphone and using this light. Of course, in the near future, more studio lightings are going to be here, because the ring light is not the only light you need. More professional kind of YouTube videos, then you need just more than only a ring light. You need 3 more lights and also maybe some background lights. But that's for different kind of YouTube videos. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, Zachary Media. Now at this moment is still ZHT Media, but that will change in the future because the channel is going to be renamed to Zachary Media. That being said, thanks for watching, see you next time, and peace.